Steph scored 15 baskets out of 20 attempts in the first half of a game, and 10 baskets out of 10 attempts in the second half. Candace took 12 attempts in the first half and 18 attempts in the second. In each half, Steph scored a higher percentage of baskets than Candace. Surprisingly, they ended with the same overall percentage of baskets scored. How many more baskets did Candace score in the second half than in the first? First, we'll look at Steph's total percentage. So, in total, she made 25 baskets, 15 plus 10, and she attempted 20 plus 10, or 30 shots. So she went 25 for 30. So we'll say that Candace made X shots in the first half and Y shots in the second half. And so since 12 plus 18, she attempted the same number of shots as Steph, it's got to be true that X plus Y is equal to 25. Starting with this first half number, 15 over 20, that means that Steph made 75% of her shots. And converting to the same denominator as this, that's as if Steph went 9 for 12 is 75%. So since Candace made a lower percentage of shots in the first half, we know that Candace made less than 9 shots. So let's just consider, what if Candace made 8 shots? So let's say X is equal to 8. Well, if X is equal to 8, we know 8 plus Y from up here is equal to 25. We know that Y is equal to 17. So in this scenario, Candace made 8 in the first half and 17 in the second half. And this satisfies the condition that Candace had a lower scoring percentage in both halves, because 17 in the second half, that's 17 for 18, which is lower than 10 for 10. So this could be a possibility. Let's consider, so Candace could have made 8. What if she made 7 in that first half? So what that would mean is 7 plus Y is equal to 25. That would mean that Candace would have had to make 18 in the second half here, which can't be the case, because that would have meant that she had an 100% scoring percentage, which is the same as Steph's second half scoring percentage. So this wouldn't be possible. And in fact, it wouldn't be possible for that first half scoring number to go down any lower, because that would mean that the amount that she scored in the second half, the basket she made in the second half, would have to go up. So because of that, it has to be true that Candace made 8 baskets in the first half and 17 baskets in the second half. And so from that, the question is asking, how many more baskets did Candace score in the second half than in the first half? Well, we just do 17 minus 8, which is 9 baskets. So the answer is choice C.